Where is my suitcase? Hi, I just got off Flight 5914 from London, but my suitcase isn't here. It's a black suitcase with a pink bow. Can you help me?
I'm sorry to hear that, ma'am. Let me check our system. Can I have your name, please?
It's Bella Harper.
It appears your suitcase was sent to Paris by mistake.
Paris? That's not even close.
I sincerely apologize, Ms. Harper. There was a mix-up during the transfer. We'll arrange for your suitcase to be sent to your hotel as soon as possible. Can you provide your hotel details?
I'm staying at the Crystal Hotel. How long will it take to get my suitcase back?
We'll do our best to have it sent to you within 3 days. I'm very sorry for the inconvenience.
3 days? That's a long time. Isn't there any way to get it here sooner?
I understand it's frustrating, but unfortunately, it does take some time to reroute the luggage and have it delivered to your location.
I guess I'll have to manage. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Ms. Harper. We'll keep you updated on your suitcase's status.
Hi, I'd like to rent a car for 5 days, please.
Certainly. Do you have a reservation or would you like to rent one now?
I'd like to rent one now.
Great. May I see your driver's license and a credit card?
Here you go.
We have a variety of cars available. What type are you looking for?
Something small and easy to drive would be perfect.
We have a compact car that should suit you. The rate is $35 per day, and it includes basic insurance. Is that okay?
Yes, that works for me.
Here are your keys. The car is parked in space 27 just outside the terminal. If you need any assistance, feel free to call us.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Crystal Hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I have a reservation under Bella Harper.
Let me check the system for you. Yes, Ms. Harper, we have your reservation. You're staying with us for 5 nights in a deluxe room with a city view. Could I please see your ID and a credit card for the deposit?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Your room is 305 on the 3rd floor. Here's your key card. The elevators are to your right. If you need anything during your stay, feel free to contact us.
Thank you. Actually, could you recommend a good shopping center nearby?
For shopping, I'd recommend the Midtown Mall. It's just a 10-minute drive from here, and they have a wide variety of stores.
That sounds perfect. Can you give me directions?
Certainly. When you leave the hotel, take a right and follow the main road for about 2 miles. You'll see the mall on your left. There's plenty of parking available.
Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure, Ms. Harper. Enjoy your shopping.
Good afternoon. This is room service. How may I assist you?
Hi, this is Bella in room 305. Could I please get a chicken wrap, a can of soda, and a phone charger if you have one?
Certainly, Ms. Harper. We'll have those items sent up to your room right away. Is there anything else you need?
Yes. Could I also get a fresh set of towels and some extra pillows?
Of course. We'll include those in your order. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your order will be with you shortly.
Hello, can I help you find anything?
Hello. I'm thinking of getting a few dresses and maybe some casual wear.
We have a great selection of dresses over here, and our casual section is just around the corner. If you need any sizes or have questions, feel free to ask.
Thank you. That's really helpful. Do you have this dress in a size small?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Perfect. I'll try this one on. And do you have any recommendations for comfortable yet stylish outfits? I'll be doing a lot of walking.
Absolutely. We just got in some new arrivals that are perfect for that. They're lightweight and breathable, but still look chic. I'll grab a couple for you to try.
That sounds great. Thank you.
I'm glad you found something you like. Would you like to sign up for our rewards program? You can earn points on your purchase today.
No, thank you. I'm just visiting.
No problem. Your total comes to $150. Will you be paying with a card?
Yes, here you go. And that wraps up another fun animation journey in Language Leap. If you enjoyed this video, remember to watch it a few times and practice with it throughout the week to keep your English skills at their best. The journey of language learning is full of adventure and joy, so embrace every moment and keep going with all your energy. And finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future videos.